Okay, hello everybody. I hope everybody is fine. So, without wasting further time, I just want to directly jump to the question which you have seen by the topic of this video, which we are going to discuss on how to upload your homework or your assignment in Microsoft Teams. So, this situations we are seeing that many of the students are facing nowadays. So we thought of making a short video on that, so that student can see how to upload, convert a PDF, and how to upload in their assignments. So let's start with that video. So I'll switch on to like the student's account, and I'll first show you from the mobile device, and then I'll switch back to the how to upload from the laptop also. So first I'll just move, suppose you are a student, suppose I'm a student and I want to upload one of my assignment through mobile. Let's get started. Suppose this is my student screen, is you can see over there. So now I'll just open my Teams accounts. So I'll just open it. Yeah. So this is as a student, this is my team. So how it will look like to me, I'm just showing you with examples. So it is, you can say that when we go to the assignment section, and over there, just 1 minute, you can go that, yeah. So this is the testing assignment was created by my teacher. So it's a testing assignment. I have to add my work. If you can see, I have to add my work over here. So I have to upload I'll try to upload in, it is also mentioned in the instruction that upload in PDF. So I have to convert my homework, which I have done in my notebook, into a PDF form. This basically example I'm showing for a subjective kind of assignments. Okay. So when I put add work, it is showing upload from my device. You can also upload pictures, but as your teacher has stated that you have to upload your PDF form. So you have to first convert your document into PDF. So without like going further, adding this work, what I'll do is I'll convert my homework into the PDF form. So what we have to go? We have to go on the Play Store. First, I'm going every step by step I'm taking. You have to search, put Adobe Scan. You can use this, a very good this app. So this is a kind of a blue icon, and you have to install it. I've already installed, so I'll just open this app. So you can see that I've opened my app, and suppose this is my homework. I've done some homework, so I'll click on capture, and when I click on capture, it will automatically crop the written area. It works on the artificial intelligence. So I'll click on continue, and when I'll take the second page right away. So suppose I will take this, my second page. Yeah. Okay. So I'll just take I'll adjust this or whatever homework I want to show to my teacher. So this I've cropped, and when I click on this gallery section on the below, so this is, you can see that it is coming as both the pages are coming in PDF. So before doing that, I just want to add one more thing for student section. You can click on added on the top part, like over here. Okay, so add a default name. So you can put your default names every time you upload your section. You don't have to rename it. Okay, so I'll click on added default, and what I'll do is I'll first write my class. Suppose I'm in class 10th, so I'll write class 10th, and then what I'll do is I'll take the date in the format of date, month, and year, so that every document initials will start from class 10th, and then it will automatically take the particular date. You can also put the time, or you can also put the minutes to get the more detailed data. So this is how we do. So I'll just put at is default. So I put this, I'll click on OK. So this part is I've just shown for those students who forgot to rename their file, and their file got misplaced like within the mobile or within their laptop. So if you put a default rename, adjust as per your conditions or as per the commitment which is being told to you by your teachers. So if you do that put that in default, so it will in every PDF conversion, the name will be taken respective to your conditions. So now I'll click on the top corner, that is save PDF. So I'll click on save PDF. So name already is there. So what I'll do is I'll put one. Okay, so I'll put one over here, and then I'll put save PDF. Yeah, now my PDF has been saved over here. So what I'll do is from here itself you can transfer a file to the laptop, but before that what I'll do is I'll just want to stick to mobile itself. So what I'll do is, this was my file. So whichever file I want to upload, so I have to create a copy of it, copy to device. This is the most like important or crucial part, you can see, copy to your device, so that this file gets copied to your device itself. So I'll click on copy to device. So my device has been, this PDF has been copied to my internal storage of my mobile. So this is very important. This you have to remember. So now my file has been copied. So what I'll do is, I'll now open my team sections. I'll open my teams. Yeah, so this is my teams. I've created my assignment into PDF form and saved that file to my device itself. So that part, saving to your, copying to your device, is very important for this particular app, because I'm showing for the Adobe Scan app. So now I'll click on the general, for which I have to submit the assignment, and I will click on view assignment, the same part which we have discussed earlier. So now I want to add my work. So I'll click on add work and I'll click on upload to this device. So I'll click on upload to this device. See, basically generally it comes on the top part. If you can see that it is coming on the top part, this part is already being coming over here. So you can directly click over here. If still it is not coming over here, what you can do is, yeah, first we have discussed. So now the folder Adobe Scan is coming. This is the second point, recent we have covered. So Adobe Scan folder will automatically develop after installing the Adobe Scan app. So I'll click on this. Yeah. So suppose you take the PDF from one of your friends, or like from your WhatsApp or from your Gmail, whatever. So that PDF will be stored in your device. So how to access that? Because these two parts we have only taken when we scan a PDF. So how to upload that PDF when you take from other sources? So you just have to scroll down and you can see a file manager over here. Okay, so this is very important. You can also access through galleries. If it depends, it varies from device to device. So I'm just stating this thing for general aspect. So when you go into the file manager, you can see that you just have to go into the documents. Yeah. So documents, you can see while clicking Adobe Scan, you can see there two files are coming. So I have to upload this one, which I have renamed. So I have to upload this file when I click on this. First part, suppose the file is in the WhatsApp. Suppose the file is in the WhatsApp. So what I'll do is, I'll just click over here, internal storage, again back to this. So I'll go back and go on the, like, scroll down, and you must be seeing WhatsApp is there. Yeah, WhatsApp is there. You can click on this WhatsApp, and again media you have to click, and after media you will see WhatsApp document is there. Yeah. So this is all the PDFs which are being taken through WhatsApp by from your friends, from your family, from your school, from your other relative, whatever the source it will. So every file of WhatsApp in the PDF or any other file will comes in this section. So I've shown you all the three formats. Like if you scan a document and you have to upload that scanned document and how to access that. Just one point you have to remember, in Adobe Scan you have to save your file to the mobile. I've already shown that. Yeah. So this is basically how you are going to upload a file from a mobile. You just have to tab on a particular file and it will automatically get uploaded. So now this was the first part of the video. Now I'll just switch to the second part, that is how to suppose you are taking class through the laptop and you want to upload. You have to convert that file in a PDF through mobile, and then you want to share through the lab. That is a very easy part, but this I'm just doing like for the like direct, you can say direct solution purpose. You don't have to search over here and there where the file has gone. So I'm just showing you step by step so that you can just follow, and it will be like easier for the student perspective. So how we are going to do that? So the steps will be same. Okay, so I'll again switch back to the student's mobile. So yeah, suppose we have done this, we came to this solution, we have done the scanning, you can see that. So what we have done in the earlier part, that from more we have clicked and we have saved this file to copy to the device. But what we will do is, now we don't want to suppose Teams is not installed in my device, or so like it is using some other username or whatever the case will be. So I'm using, as a student, I'm using my Teams on the laptop. I'm taking class through laptops. So I want this file to be get uploaded to the laptop. So what I'll do is, I'll by not doing you can see the share button is here. Okay, so you have to click on share, and then you have to click on email. Okay, it's very easy. You just have to enter that email which is being used in that particular laptop where the you are taking the classes. So suppose in the laptop my email ID which I'm using is, I'll put Brainics Learning, and I just don't have to do anything. You can just add additional title or something. So I'll just click on send. All done. You just don't have to do anything. You don't have to use pen drive. You don't have to use WhatsApp to your web WhatsApp in laptop or like multiple things. You just have to share this file. So that this is the only reason why I'm using the Adobe Scan, because this function works very efficiently in Adobe Scan. And now I'll switch to the laptop. Yeah, so now I'm in my like PC. So you can see that the mail which I have sent, I've received the same mail. I'll just click on this. So this is a PC through which I'm using the Teams. Okay, so the mail email is already been logged in by this my Brainics Learning. That this title email, you can say that. So through this mail I've sent the link. So to the same mail, the link has, I've received the link. So you just have to open that email and the link is there. You just have to click on this link, nothing else, and you can see that the file basically appears in the Adobe Cloud. Yeah. So generally what student make mistake is like they used to share the links on Teams. So that doesn't work. Don't share the links, share the files. So to share the file, you have to first download the file in your PC. Okay. So what I'll do is, you can see there is a download button come over here. So I just have to click a download button over here. Yeah. So yeah, download has started. You can see that, yeah, it is being done. Downloading has been done, and where this file has been put. So you can click the arrow and you can show the see my file in the folder. So I'll click on this. You can see that, yeah, the file is this. This was the earlier file. I'll just delete those. Yeah. So this is the file. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll open my Teams in my system. So I've already opened it. So you can see that the Teams which I'm using, I have to open the assignment over here. So I'll click on post. This is my like Teams I'm using. So I have to submit the assignment. So I'll click on view assignment. And after clicking on the view assignment, you can see that, yeah, so this assignment testing is there. You have to upload in PDF. So what I'll do is, I'll add my work. And where is my work? My work is in the download folder, which I have recently downloaded. So I'll click on the add work. And now you can see that, yeah, so it is showing multiple functions, but on the beneath you can see that upload from this device means upload from your PC, because the file has been captured in the download folder in my PC. You have multiple sections, like you can create a new file, you can itself create a new file, you can upload a link, you can upload from this folder like file section of this team, you can also upload from the OneDrive. Only I will just discuss how to upload directly a file. So I'll click upload from this device. Yeah, so now you can see I've clicked on download section, and in the download I am able to see my file which I have recently downloaded. So I'll click on this and I'll open my file, and you can see it is showing uploading. So this is basically the file. The icon for PDF, you can remember, if this icon is not coming, that this means the file is not in the PDF form. So uploaded is coming. So now you just have to click done, and the file has been uploaded, my work has been uploaded, and I'll click on turn in before the due date of my assignment so that my marks don't get deducted. So I'll click on turn in. So now you can see, yeah, see, turned in on Monday, September. So this time I've submitted. Okay, so I cannot add my further this PDF over here. I have to undo that. So I'll prefer not to do that, because time is noted on the basis of at which time you basically click on turn in. So whenever you click on that turn in, that time is being noted by the system, and that will only be considered for your like marking your assignments. Yeah, so this is how we basically upload a file from the PC. So part 1 we have discussed from the mobile, and part 2 from device from PC, how we have to upload that. I hope everything I've tried to explain in detail what are the basically issues coming with the students. So that's it. I'll again come with some new videos based on this small issues which students are facing nowadays. So thank you so much. Have a nice day.